بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello everyone. Welcome in a new English class of Mega Goal 6 for third secondary grade. Today we have a lesson about how to make project and self-reflection. Okay? What I want you to do now is to open your book on page 94 and 95. Okay, let's get started. Okay, our objective today is to research a discovery story and make a PowerPoint or poster presentation. Okay, we call this project. Okay, research a discovery story means to look for, to collect information about discovery story. Okay, الفكرة اليوم الهدف من الدرس ان نتعلم كيف نبحث عن قصة اكتشاف discovery story and make وبعد كذا make a PowerPoint presentation نسوي لنا عرض في الباوربوينت سلايدات or poster اللي هو عبارة عن ورقة وفيها معلومات راح نشوفها بعدين كيف نعملها and we call this project. هذا نسميه مشروع يعني نهاية وحدة مشروع project. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now we have four pictures. My question now, what do you see? This person, this guy, digger. Okay, and we have old book, mountains, and also some. It is a map. What do you think? Okay. I see a gold digger. Diggers means a person who digs earth, looking for gold. يعني الباحث عن الذهب أو الشخص الذي يحفر من أجل الحصول على الذهب. Okay, this person you see next to beach or on beach. Okay, walking on the beach. Okay, gold diggers. Please save this word and learn this word. And also we have what? I see monuments. Something old. Okay, monuments اللي هي آثار. Okay, قطع أثرية قديمة. Monuments. And also we see another things. We have an old map. You see map, maybe for treasure. Okay, old map, and we have old book. Maybe written in the more than 20 or 2 centuries or before 3 centuries. Okay. From these questions. And from these answers, we learned some a new word like gold diggers, and also beach, monuments, old map, old book. Okay. Now, think about my question now, which is related to our lesson. Think about and research two discoveries. يعني اكتشافين. فكر في اكتشافين that were made by ordinary people. Ordinary people means simple people, regular people. يعني ناس عاديين، ناس طبيعيين، ناس أشخاص بسطاء. Okay, ordinary people by accident يعني بالصدفة. Okay, so our lesson today is to research about two discoveries. Okay, then after finishing I want you to make it a PowerPoint like the slides. You see slides or poster. You know poster? Poster means one paper include a lot of informations by picture, drawings, charts. Okay, we are going to make two things, either this or this. Okay, now if I ask you to work with a member of a group to make PowerPoint presentation or poster, there are some steps or some advices you have to follow it. First, you have to brainstorm about discoveries that you have heard or read about. Okay, means to think about discoveries that you heard or read about in newspaper, on internet, by friends, by your families. You have to think and choose the best one or the discoveries which you think it is suitable for your PowerPoint presentation. Okay? Brainstorm. Second, you have to discuss your ideas in your group. Okay? After collected your discoveries and think about, you have to work with your friend. You have to work with your friends to talk about these discoveries and download and print information that they find on the internet. It means go to on internet and collect information from websites which are related to your discoveries. Okay? Then you have to present the group's research ideas for the class. In your class, you have to mention your research and your information in front of your or before your class, because you are going to listen for their reflection or their comments about your research. Okay? This will help you to develop your research or your presentation, and also communicate after school in order to talk to each other about what they found and coordinate the next stage in your preparation. Okay? It means after school, after finishing your school, you have to communicate with people, with your society, with your friend, with your family, just to share them with your information, listen from them, and maybe you will listen a new idea which will support your research. Okay? Okay, now from what we have said so far, this is your project. هذا المشروع مشروع التخرج أو مشروع الوحدة أو البحث الوحدة. We want to make it in PowerPoint or poster. Okay? There are 3 steps. First, research. Now we are going to summarize our steps. Okay? Research 2 discoveries. Okay? You already choose the 2 discoveries. يعني أنت الآن اخترت البحثين. Okay? Then collect information. اجمع المعلومات. Collect information and data from internet, from books, from family, from members of your groups. Okay? Then use your notes. يعني استخدم الملاحظاتك اللي أنت جمعتها to prepare a PowerPoint presentation or poster. Okay? Don't forget, as I told you before, don't forget to include votes or pictures in your presentation. Okay? يعني لا تنسى الصور. مهمة جدا الصور في عمل المشروع سواء PowerPoint أو poster. Okay? Now we have an example or exercise. I want you now to go directly to page 94. Okay? You will find exercise there. The exercise asks you to write about discoveries made by ordinary people. Okay? الآن راح نطبق اللي احنا تعلمناها الآن من خلال شارت، من خلال جدول. يعني قبل ما تبدأ البحث سوي لك جدول وأجب على الأسئلة، بحيث أن المعلومات تستخدمها الآن فيما بعد في عمل البرزنتيشن. First, discoveries. What was discovered? ما الذي اكتشف؟ ما هو الشيء الذي اكتشف؟ And just we have an example here. Examples. A golden house. For example, a golden house. اكتشف بيت ذهبي. Okay? A golden house. Where was the discovery made? Where? Ask you about place. Where? Normandy, France. Normandy, France is the city in France. Okay? Who made the discovery? Who? A French man. شخص فرنسي. Okay? He's ordinary. From ordinary people. يعني شخص عادي. Okay? What did the finder do? سوى المكتشف هذا؟ Finder mean discover. المستكشف found a gold in his new house. He found gold in his new house. Okay? What was the outcome? وش كانت النتيجة؟ Outcome means the result. Okay? Became rich. أصبح غنيا. Okay? Your views and comments. يعني give me now your reflection or your comments. أعطينا تعليقاتك حول الموضوع. Okay? He was lucky. Okay. Now collect this information and make a PowerPoint or PowerPoint presentation or poster, okay? And you give me also collect information about the second discovery. Okay, guys, this is just an example. You can follow it and you can use your own words, your own discoveries. Okay, after finishing, make PowerPoint, slide it, or poster. You say poster. Okay, discovery 1, for example, the name of a person, the place, what the outcomes, and so on. Okay, now let us to end our lesson. Let us to end our lesson. Self-reflection. Self-reflection. I want you to give me your self-reflection about Unit 6. Unit 6. I want you to answer this question by yourself, and try to check it with yourself also with the previous page. Okay, for example, answer this question. Use where and when in adjective clauses. Did you remember in the third or the fourth lessons? What do you think? Can you manage using where and when? If you can, yes, say I can do this or I can do it. I need to study. Okay? Use whose in adjective clauses. Remember whose? Possessive pronouns. Whose. Ask someone to repeat something. Ask someone to repeat something. What do you think? Can you manage it? Use conditional sentences with if clauses. Past time in hypothetical situation. We already finished now before a minute or 2 minutes. Okay? And use as if or as though. Use a range of inferences. Inferences means it is about time. It is a high time. Okay? And just check here if it is you can manage it, you can use them or no. Talk about historical monuments, okay, in your project or your poster. Okay, guys, this will help you. This card or this chart will help you to cover all the contents of units. Okay, guys, now we come to the end. Thank you so much. Hopefully you enjoy my presentation today and our class. See you next time. Thank you so much.